and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pink eyeshadow look. First, we're starting off with the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer as my eyeshadow base. And then I'm going to blend it all together with the Beauty Blender. And then I'm setting it with the Dermablend Loose setting powder. And today I'm going to be using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then taking the shade Incense as my transition shade. And so I'm really building it up and blending it and also winging it out at the same time. Next, I'm going in with the shade Love. Leave me a comment if you have watched season 2 of You. But I'm just taking that in my outer corner and bringing it up into the crease as well. I'm going in with the shade Passion, which is a deeper red. I just didn't think Love was deep enough, and so I'm giving it kind of a little smoky, deeper vibe. Just going in with a little bit more of Passion because I'm trying to build it up and make it deeper. And then I'm going back in with the shade Incense and blending it around the edges just to make sure everything's smooth and blended together. Now I'm going in with the shade Wild Child and taking that with my finger on my lid. And it's a light pink shimmery shade. And then I'm also blending it in with the brush and adding a little bit more to make the color more vibrant. And then I'm taking Passion again and going over the crease just to make sure everything is blended well. I'm going in with some black eyeliner to do a black winged eyeliner. And honestly, I don't even think I'm breathing at this point because doing eyeliner can just be so tricky. Let me know in the comments if you agree. And now I'm just doing the same thing on the other eye, adding the black eyeliner and trying to make sure I'm getting it as similar to the other side as I can. And here I'm just double checking, making sure it's how I want it, and I'm happy with it. So now I'm wiping up the excess eyeshadow that's underneath the eyeliner just to make it look more clean. And I did pop on some lashes. These are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. And now I'm adding primer. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer, and it's also supposed to be pretty hydrating, so that works well for my dry skin. Now I'm color correcting underneath my eyes using the EveryHue Beauty Corrector in the shade Ginger, and I'm blending that with my finger. And I'm also correcting around my mouth and blending that with my finger as well. And now moving on to foundation. I don't know why I decided to put all these little dots on my face, but you know what? It worked. And I'm just going to blend that all in with my foundation brush. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. Don't forget to blend your neck. And also don't forget to blend your ears just to make sure, you know, all the color is even everywhere. And now I am concealing with that same concealer from the beginning, the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I probably could have used a little bit less because I didn't realize how much coverage this concealer had. So if you're going to try this one out, I'd say start off with a little bit and then just build it up as you go, as you need it. And because I did use a little bit too much concealer, I'm diffusing around the edges with whatever was left on my foundation brush just to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. And now I'm adding bronzer using the EveryHue Beauty Glow and Glow. Oh, I can't say that. That's a tongue twister. Glow and Go Trio. And now I'm just adding a little bit of that bronzer on my nose to just snatch it up. And now I'm setting all of my concealer with the Dermablend Loose setting powder in the shade Translucent. Now I'm adding some blush using the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Kisses. And I'm adding a little bit to my nose just to tie everything together. And now I'm adding some more blush from the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette in the shade Yara. And I'm just putting it over top of my bronzer. Now moving on to lips, I'm using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Soft Spoken and liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors in the shade Nude Chica. Alright, lips are looking good, so we're moving right on to highlighter, and this is Champagne Champion by Try Sugar. And don't forget your nose highlight, it's going to make your nose look real cute. And now I'm adding a pop of color to my inner corner, and this is the shade Dreamer. And then I'm adding the shade Incense to my lower lash line. And then also some lower lash mascara. Now we need to set everything, and this is the setting spray from Morphe. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I'll be posting more videos. And if you decide to recreate this look, please tag me. I'm on Instagram at @Nicole. I'd love to see it. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.